So the next plant I'm going to prune is the Stand By Me Clematis. So our clematis is planted in this little crevice between the house and the driveway. And there it is, popping up right here. So I'm just going to pull out the leaves, just clean it up like any other plant. We have a lantern that fell. I don't know if you can hear them, but we have the aliens from Toy Story flying around. And down there, you can see that on this old stem, if you follow the stem, there's no growth in any of those nodes except for the last one down at the bottom. And so you're going to cut above the bottom node. There's some raspberries growing around it that have gotten away, so of course you want to take out any competing plants. Cut above the lowest node. And it's a zone 3. I don't have one now, but I am going to find like a little cage to put around it because this clematis is not a vining clematis. So it will grow 34 to 38 inches tall and about 30 something inches wide with time, and it needs support. Last year we accidentally broke a branch. Oh no, the clematis bent. Darn it. Can't remember what the reason was, but we ended up tying it to the trellis that's right next to it, and that one. And I don't know how, but the branch was totally broken and it still grew like that. It was pretty funny, but I was so happy because it was our first year having it bloom, and it's really pretty. It has these beautiful, like, I don't know about periwinkle, but like a purplish blue but light bell-shaped flower. Making this worse. I don't know if this is gonna help. It's bent right there. It's gonna bloom soon.